Hello, Professor. So this is PA5, the animation system. Let's get started with the. Actually, let's go to the code. These are the instructions I've added over here. Uh, uh, this part stays the same. I've added the clips over here. So each clip. Let me open up the diagram and show you. Uh, there's a base clip that all my clips are derived from, and each clip has information, basically the hard-coded data about from each of the animations. And what I do is I kind of store these clips in a clip node manager. It helps me later on to find the clips. Let me just run through this first and show you. Then I'll get to the clip part again. So these clips are basically added to a clip node manager, which manages these clips. Then we have our animation controller over here, which basically takes in the clip that you want to play. So I have 4 instances, and it takes in 4 different clips. Uh, and what I do is I kind of add in the fifth one over here. Instead of having two screens, I just keep one screen with the animation that I want to change in the middle. I'll play that and show you later on. Yeah, and then we add the animation controller to our clip controller animation controller manager. So later on, it's easy for deleting since it's a manager. Then in our update, we can update through all the animation controller managers instead of having individual updates. So in the update, basically in your animation controller manager, it basically runs through, and it takes an iterator and it just runs through those animator controllers and updates it over here. If you see, this is the animator controller code. Then coming to switching using buttons, I kind of use the kind of find the animator controller that I want to change. In this case, it's chicken bot 1, which is going to be the middle one, and I change the clip over here. So I kind of find the walk clip that is there in the animation in the clip node manager, and I use the change clip method to change the clip over here. So I do the same thing over here for run and hit and also sidestep, and increase and decrease the speed. I just change the speed over here. So increase and decrease the speed will be getting the delta time, the current delta time, and then increasing by 1 millisecond. uh, True or false is just play and pause is just a normal if statement over here, which stops the animation from playing and allows it to play, restart it again. So yeah, that's about it on the animation side. This is the diagram again. This is the animation controller manager that controls all the animation controllers. And yeah, that's about it. If I play this right now, so if I let me play it, almost forgot to play it. These are my scripts, by the way. I added the clips over here. Alright, so it's playing right now. Let me just get to the side here, and it'll print out everything. So my Z button, it actually shows it shows the instructions right at the top. So change animation using ZXCY CV. So Z is the current one, which is already walking. Let me get through the other instructions first. So increase speed, we have N, decrease speed B, reverse animation M, pause animation A, and play animation S. So I'll go through all of those right now. If I click on Z, it's already in the walk state, so it continues. If I click on X, it will go to running. If I click on C, it will go to hit, and if I click on V, it will go to sidestep. Now if I want to increase the speed of this, I click on N, and since it's 1 millisecond, it takes some time, but yeah, here it is. Then speed, increase in speed, decrease the speed, press B, so it decreases the speed. If I want to toggle the animation, it goes in the other way right now. If you see that, let me do this using the run animation. So it's running, and I go in the opposite way, pressing M. Now I can pause the animation using A, and if I click on S, it will continue from the same place. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you. And if I exit it, it passes the thing clean. It takes care of the destruction, and there's no leaks in the memory. And yeah, that's about it. Oh yes, I almost forgot the controller, the converter. So let me open that up actually. There wasn't much. I think I didn't make any changes to the converter. it was almost exactly as it was that he had given us. I just merely changed the just change the script over. I mean, included the other files. Wait, there you go. So I merely just changed the. Let's see here. Yeah, create animal. I just kind of uh, changed the file name over here and included the files in here. So I have all the files over here. And I merely changed the name and got the bone, the number of bones, I mean the number of frames over here, and then just set the assert. But yeah, it didn't not work much with the animator, I mean converter in this part because of lack of time. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you.